So I want to go through real quick and redo number 4 on your warm-up from 4.3. So this is number 4. I gave you a little bit of wrong information, so I want to fix that right now. So let's talk about number 4 on 4.3 warm-up. Okay, so I have the cosine of angle T is equal to 4/5. So let me draw this out real quick. So there's your X, your coordinate plane, and let's just say that this is angle T. And angle T creates that right triangle. Well, I know cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's going to be a 4 and a 5, and that's going to have to be a 3. Now, this information I told you earlier is correct. Now, what I did say was this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. That is not correct. For whatever reason, was thinking that, and thank you to a student who helped me or asked me about this problem, and then that's when I realized that it is not correct. But anyway, let's go ahead and go through this, and I'll explain to you everything about how to get all the correct answers. Okay, so first things first, I want to find pi minus t. Well, I know this angle right here is equal to pi, but what if I backed up t radians? So t radians is going to be this much, so let's back up that much. Now I end up getting that angle right here. Okay, so since I backed up the same amount that this went up, that means that this angle right here is that point right here is a reflection of that point. It's a reflection along the y-axis. Also, too, based on that one of those charts I gave you in 4.2 guided notes, I know that this ordered pair will be the cosine of that value and the sine of that value. So I know that the cosine of this angle right here is 4/5, so I know its x coordinate is 4/5, and the sine value is 3/5, so that must mean that this y value is 3/5. So this is the ordered pair of that point. Now remember, this is not a unit circle. It's not a unit circle because our radius is not equal to 1. All right, so this ordered pair is equal to 4/5 and 3/5, and if I reflect this over here along the y-axis, I'll get a negative 4/5 and 3/5. So the cosine of this would be your x value, and that is also going to be the cosine of pi minus t. Okay, and again, pi going this way, and we're going back up t radians. So we went up we backed up the same amount we went up originally. So there are reflections, and that ordered pair reflects over here with the x value negative. All right, the other part is pi plus t. So if I added pi to that angle, I'll end up with a side right here, the terminal side going right there. All right, so it ends up, I already know I'm going 4 this way to the right, so I know I'm going 4 to the left, and I know I'm going up 3 units this way, same thing here, but now I'm going down 3 units here. Okay, so this point right here is a reflection along the x-axis of that point right there. So the ordered pair here is going to be negative 4/5 and negative 3/5. The cosine of this is the x value, so that's also going to be equal to negative 4/5. Okay, so those are your correct answers. I think I had that one wrong. I can't remember. I had something else for that, square root of 3/2 or something like that, negative square root of 3/2, but that I think I had that one there. All right, so this is all your correct answers. This is not a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So remember that, and if I ever say it again, remind me that 3, 4, 5 triangles are not 30, 60, 90. Okay, so that's all I wanted to do, and let me know if you have any questions.